Gone are the days of spending hours making your own subtitles or spending hundreds of dollars using services like rev.com to make your own captions. You can do that inside Premiere Pro. So all you need to do is come up to Window and make sure that you have text on, and also make sure that you're in the timeline that you're wanting to do this in. And this, it says no dialogue found. That's because I have a track muted, which has all the audio in it. So make sure that you do have everything unmuted that you want to be transcribed. And then now we have the ability to transcribe. Let's go ahead and just hit transcribe. And that's gonna take every single audio file that is on this timeline and go through and transcribe it. Now you can see everything that it transcribed and the time codes and everything, but we wanna actually make sure that this is going to turn into captions. So come up over to this 3 dot right here, and we'll select create captions. And we can select a preset if we have one, and just make sure that everything's going to look how we want it. I'm just gonna leave it like this and hit create captions, and boom, it made the captions. Now wait 1 second. If you have made any changes and you need to retranscribe it, it can be kind of confusing. So if you come over back to transcript, you go to the 3 dots, the retranscribe sequence is probably gonna be grayed out. It's been like this for a while, I don't know why. All you have to do is hit generate static transcript and then choose whatever you have. I don't have separate people, so I'll just leave that. Transcribe is gonna do this. This is really annoying. I don't know why they make you go through these hoops, but if you need to retranscribe something, you don't wanna go and make all the changes yourself, you have to do it this way. And now you can go to the 3 dots and hit retranscribe. Yeah, it's kind of a nuisance, but it's a lot easier than going in, typing out all of your captions yourself. There's other things that you can do with transcript in here. I'll save that for another video, so be on the lookout for that. Stay subscribed so you'll know whenever that video comes out.